Good evening, doctor. So today,
Good evening, Doctor.
good evening. So my name is
Good evening,
Liang.
doctor.
My metric number is 198369.
Hi, Doctor. My name is Muhammad Arash. Muhammad Arash bin Yusran Nazirin. My metric number is 199018.
Hello, doctor. My name is Sumati. My metric number is 196508.
Hi, doctor. My name is Muhammad Malik Ali bin Malik. Matric number 195529.
So now we are, our task is to conduct an home experiment on the solid liquid extraction process on the lemongrass oil. So we are going to extract the lemongrass oil, which consists of limonene from the lemongrass. So I will screen share the slides. Right. Okay. So yeah. So this is basically what we are going to do in our experiment. But this is for our laboratory session. So in the previous video, we have shown that there is a home experiment which we use pot and a plastic, elastic plastic straw or some sort of rubber pipe to conduct the experiment to extract the lemongrass oil. This is called the steam distillation process, which we use the steam to heat up the lemongrass to extract the lemongrass oil from the lemongrass, and then condense through with ice by using the ice cubes, and after that it will condense into a beaker, just like the video we shown earlier. So next. So basically, lemongrass is a perennial fast-growing aromatic grass which appear in India mostly, and lemongrass oil is always obtained by the steam distillation process or hydrodistillation process, because it does not use other distillation process rather than this one. This lemongrass oil is most common and most cheapest oil in the market. And for this experiment, our main objective is to optimize the lemongrass oil extraction and find the and use the raw materials to find out how many volume of lemongrass oil can be obtained, can be extracted. So in our experiment, we are using the steam distillation process to extract the limonene from the lemongrass. So let us proceed with the experimental procedure. Arash?
So, hi, Doctor. So I'm going to explain the home-based procedure that we're going to make. So during PKP, we didn't manage to make the experiment in college, in university. So we are assigned to make a home experiment. So Liang, can you show the next slide?
All right.
Next one.
Next one, all right. Yeah, home experiment.
All right. So basically, this is the procedure. So firstly, we had to find some lemongrass plant. So we can get it anywhere in our garden, or we can just buy it at the store. And then the lemongrass will be cutting the lemongrass into small pieces. And then the next procedure is to add 3 cups of water into a pressure cooker, and the whistle part is replaced with a small diameter pipe. And then the next one, we will have to take the lemongrass leaf, and then we put it into the pressure cooker, and then we close the pressure cooker with its lid. So make sure we close it properly so that no error will happen lah. And the next one, we will put the end of the pipe in a jug and place the jug in a big bowl, and then we're going to pour some water and the ice in the big bowl. So basically, as an observation, the steam, as an observation, we will see that the steam will disperse through the pipe, and then the ice cold water will help the stream to condense. So basically, that's what will happen during the observation. And then lastly, we will have to collect the condensed water in a glass or a glass container before we collect the oil product with a droplet tube. So basically, as a home procedure experiment, we're going to have maybe some, not maybe lah, we're going to have 6 to 10 drops of oil. So basically, that's the outcome that we probably were going to have. So thank you, Doctor. We'll proceed to the next one.
All right. In addition to the cutting of the lemongrass just now, we green the lemongrass into small pieces to increase the surface area in contact between the lemongrass and the solvent, which is the steam, the water. All right. Next, the result part.
Okay. Okay. Our manipulating variable is mass of lemongrass, which is firstly I use 100 gram of lemongrass, and then I obtain 0.6 milliliter of oil, which is equals to 0.5322%. Then I carried with 150 gram of lemongrass, and I obtain 0.7687% of oil, and then followed by 20 gram of lemongrass. In order, we obtain 0.9757. Okay, from here, when the mass of lemongrass increase, we obtain more oil. Next slide.
Okay.
Okay, this is the graph of mass of lemongrass against volume. When the mass of a lemongrass increases, then the volume collected also increases. Yes, same goes to this also. As is increased, the yield we obtain, the percentage is also increased.
All right. So as for the next, as for the second manipulated variable that we're going to use is temperature. But the temperature increase is too fast, so we cannot probably how to say.
Make it, yes.
Yeah, we cannot probably make it because we are lacking of many equipment such as a thermometer and many holders that can hold the thermometer. So it's quite unconstant lah. It's not that constant to do the experiment with the variable as temperature. So we prefer mass than temperature. So next is conclusion. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God. All right.
Okay, to end up, the experiment is done successfully by achieving the main objective of this experiment, which is design a simple liquid extraction system during the MCO period at home. So even though with less materials and equipment, we achieve some amount of essential oil, which is our objective of this experiment. Also, the experiments can be further improved by adding some ice cube to the system to increase the efficiency of condensation.
Right.
So that's all.
Yeah, that's all from us. Thank you, Doctor.